Hi everyone, this is a short video tutorial in which I will show you how the script Magic Pattern Pro works. Select an element you would like to use for pattern creation and run the script. You may select any template from the window you see. There are 20 possible templates in the Magic Pattern Pro 2.0, including additional templates for the first 7. I will select the third template and have a look at the resulting pattern. Click Create button, that's it. As you can see, the script arranged elements of the pattern at the designated positions. Using the second example, I will show you how to deal with the additional templates. Select an element for the pattern, run the script and select the second scheme. Click Create. It's quite obvious now that the additional element will fit in the spaces perfectly. Run the script again and select the template Additional 2. The script cuts and deletes objects outside artboards in Adobe Illustrator, making it automatically and very quickly. Here we have 25 artboards with seamless patterns, which should be cut before uploading to MicroStocks. This will be a job for the script. Just click Start to begin. That's it, the job is done, and let me show you one more example with the usual and gradient field objects. Both patterns are ready. Gradient fill retains its properties, no need to concern about it. If I move the elements of the pattern, you can see that they are intact, even though they overlapped each other while the script was working.